Hey guys, so I've got a quick video on a 2017 Mercedes E300. This procedure works on a couple other cars too, Mercedes models. So very simple procedure, no special tools are needed. All we're gonna do is use these two buttons, the home button and then the enter button over here. First thing we're gonna do, turn the ignition to the off position, open the door, close the door, then press the ignition button just once. We needed an accessory mode, make sure all the other lights do not kick on. Then what we're gonna do, press and hold the home button for 2 seconds and then press the enter. Let it go. We're gonna see this menu. Then we're gonna go down. ASSYST Plus is gonna tell you to turn the ignition on. We're gonna press the start button one more time. Ignition is on. We're gonna press the OK button to clear the message. You see it right there. We're gonna go down, full service, confirm service, select the all grade and press yes. Confirm. So it should be done. Press enter one more time. You can go back pressing this button and you're all done. You can always confirm by turning the car off, starting it back again. You can see next service is due in 365 days. So very simple procedure, no special tools are needed. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.